Hi, my name is Juliette Wong, and I'm chairing this year's NABL Workshop Conference at the Chicago Hilton. I'll be moderating the opening general session called Demystifying the Inflation Reduction Act. Our goal is to help you understand how governmental entities and nonprofits can get significant cash payments from the federal government for an impressive array of projects. I'm excited for this conference. There are a lot of great panels and speakers planned, and I hope we see you in Chicago.